Wanna win an iPhone X or at least a vignette? Watch this video.
Survival School with Jože.
The first Facebook threat is so-called sextortion. First, you get a friend's request from some girl. Then you chat. Out of the blue, she wants to video chat. To see each other. The conversation is flowing, she takes off her clothes, tells you to do the same. Being no covered, you obey. The next day, you got email threats that your adult video will be sent to friends, family, everybody. Unless you pay. Girls, don't laugh. You face similar problems too. You get a friend's request from a stranger, usually a broken-hearted soldier or a doctor on a Peace Corps mission who tells you he needs money for child medication. Sounds like a movie, right? Well, it isn't. You give him all the money you have, and then the good soldier is gone. Yeah, if it's on Facebook, it doesn't mean it's real. The same goes for Facebook profiles, pages, and ads. Yes, fake stores advertise on Facebook too. This brings us to iPhones and vignettes. Know someone who won an iPhone? No? How about a vignette? You won't get one this time either. Take that as a lesson. At best, by liking and sharing fake giveaways, you share spam. By giving your number, you could also subscribe to premium SMS service. Of course, you know that. You read the fine print. Oh, you don't read the fine print. Ooh, that can cost you money. About 20 euros per month, but don't worry, you'll find out with the phone bill. Key takeaways. First, keep your clothes on and don't fall for money beggars.
Second,
not everything on Facebook is legit. That goes for people, pages, and ads. Finally, if you take part in giveaways, read the fine print. It can save you money. For more info, visit varninainternetu.si, like and share this video, and stop others from getting scammed.